Alright, hello, I'm Alfonzo. I'm a math club's coach for calculator. In this video, we're going to be talking about how the calculator test works. So just some general information. You're going to have 80 questions. You have 30 minutes to take the test. Once those 30 minutes are up, it'll be a hard stop. Use contest legal calculators. Use the calculator that your coach wants you to use. When I was at Hutch, we were given HP 35s and 33s, so that's what we use for the test. Make sure you always clear your calculator before the test. I'll be talking about how to do this in a separate video. And remember, it's not worth the risk. When they catch that you haven't cleared your calculator, you have the possibility of getting disqualified. And the test will increase in difficulty as you go on. So I'll be mentioning stuff like punch problems and word problems. So this is what punch problems would look like. As you can see from questions 5 through 10, they're pretty easy. And then from the middle of the test to question 80, they'll be pretty hard. This is just an example of word problems and some geometry problems. So just writing your answers, this is going to be important for the graders to know what you're writing, especially since they will be going off your handwriting. And I didn't write this down, but it's a reminder that to always be legible. So write your answers in scientific notation. This is what scientific notation looks like. I'll be talking about what this is and how to write it in another video, but this is basically what they want to see on your test. Write 3 significant digits for all your answers. You can see 3 significant digits, 1.23, 4.63, 3.89. Those are 3 significant digits. And yes, this is included for both punch and word problems. There are exceptions to those rules, however. Significant digit problems, dollar sign problems. So these problems should be answered to the exact set. However, they're lenient and will allow a plus or minus 1 cent error. So this is an example of this would be just to round the answer. So in your calculator, you may get 37.438. You want to round that up to 37.44, and that's what you're going to write in the answer box. So these are usually indicated with a dollar sign, and don't use scientific notation. Another exception would be integer problems. These are indicated by int. These answers have to be exact with no decimal point or scientific notation. This is what you'll be seeing at the front of your test, where they show you the correct and incorrect examples on how to write your answer. You see that there is 3 significant digits, 12.3, 123, and you see that in the incorrect that there is 12.30. That's 4 significant digits. You don't want that. You want to write it like 12.3. So your score. Every question you get right is plus 5 points. Every question wrong or skipped before your last attempt is minus 4 points. Your test is going to be graded by 3 different graders, and the final score is the average of those 3 grades. You can see what they write at the very top of your score above your name. And I'm actually going to be talking about the second bullet. Every question incorrect or skipped before your last attempt will be minus 4 points. So what that means is if you get to question 57, for example, they'll only be grading up to question 57. If you missed, let's say, question 47, 38, and 26, they'll be taking those 4 points off, and every question that isn't those ones I mentioned will be correct. They won't be taking off points for question 67, question 80, question 73, since you didn't attempt those and your last attempt was question 57. It's important to know this so that you understand how your score will work and you will be paying attention on how to write your answer.